Assalamu-Alaikum everyone. How are you today? This is Naz with Hijabs and You with another tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how we get this really simple full coverage using a rectangular shawl. Easy, just quick and easy. I need to show you this for all you college goers, for all you school girls, for all you university goers. We're going to get you going in the mornings really quick and easy, and that's the intention, to show you how you can use your shawl, get it on quick and out the door. So stay with me as I take you into the tutorial. So my dear viewers, let me show you how I got that look, and it's quite simple. I've got a really beautiful shawl. It's absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold one short, one longer side. And just for a nice, neat look in the front, I folded it a tiny bit in. See that? I'm wearing my ninja. I've got a bit of a low neck, so I want to make sure that I'm covered. And here we go. I'm just going to use a safety pin right there. We've got that done, and I'm going to use that there. I'm going to put a little pin up here to keep this nice and having that nice look up there. Good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shorter side and I'm going to, see what I did? Bring it from the inside. I'm going to fold that in a tiny bit. See that? Fold that in. Bring it under my chin, and I'm going to create the look on my face. See that? And I'm just going to put that over like that. And I'm going to give it a stick pin right over here. And make sure see the folds, how nicely they are. So far so good. It's nice. It's giving you a really nice shape your face nicely. You've got that going. Now we're going to take the longer side and just bring it under here. And I'm going to give it a stick pin here. My dear viewers, is quick and easy, simple. And I'm working on getting full coverage, and you just kind of fit it up a bit. It's so gorgeous. Look at that. Set it nicely. We've got full coverage. Oh, it's beautiful, beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. You've got coverage in the back. You've got it nice and flowing here. You've got full coverage. You've got some volume. And my dear viewers, what do you think of that? It's absolutely beautiful. So beautiful. Beautiful, isn't it? And it was just so quick and so easy. And that's the intention, to get it on quick and easy. All I did was one safety pin, fold it up right up here and wrap it. And that was it. And one safety pin there. How beautiful, how quick, how easy. And so that's the intention, to try and get it as easy as possible for you girls that are heading out to school soon, heading out to college, university, trying to put together these tutorials that are going to make it easy for you in your mornings. It's absolutely beautiful. We've got full coverage, and It was just quick and easy. I hope you like that. I really do. And if you did like that, please hit the like button. And my dear viewers, share it with your friends and family. Really, it's important to share it. You don't know what a blessing it is for you to share it and someone seeing it and gets inspired to wear their hijab or to help them with the wrapping of their hijab. It is a blessing, absolute blessing. So please, my viewers, share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do hit the subscribe button. There's no charge for it. Just click on the bell icon and tick off the all so you will not miss any of my uploads. Okay. All right, my dear viewers, please do stay safe. COVID-19 is very much around. So please, please, please try your bit and do stay safe. Each one of us must do our part to help in this pandemic. Okay. Take care. Be good to yourselves. It's important. Be good to yourself. It doesn't matter how difficult it is. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not give you more than you can bear. Always remember that. He will never give you more than you can bear. He knows your strength. So do whatever your situation is, do remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and it will get better for you. Inshallah, by the mercies of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So take care of yourselves until we meet again. This is Naz saying Assalamu Alaikum.